Hi everyone, this is my first Reebok unboxing video. These are a pair of Reebok Royal Lumella women's running shoes. They're made in Vietnam and they're size 8.5 USA. I've noticed that depending on the branded style, I usually go for 8, but this time based on the reviews, I decided to go for 8.5. And they actually fit me perfectly. So if you're thinking of siding up or down, I guess siding up wouldn't hurt. These actually come as feel foam style, so I haven't seen feel foams before, but I guess what they mean by it is the way that they've designed the soles. I mean, it's very foamy. It's got that very foamy look. And unlike the trail running shoes, you can see that they're really soft soles. What I really like about these pairs is the fact that, I've had polyurethane like material running shoes before, and they tend to get really hot in summer. So I needed something really fabric or lighter materials. So I guess these pairs of shoes would suffice that purpose. And what I really like about this style is the color scheme. As you can see, I really like how they've layered two tones of the pink, the darker hue of the pink on the lining, and then there's a bit of a lighter tone as well, and then there's the contrast of the neon lemony color and the insoles as well, like inner part. And I mean, overall, I'm really satisfied with how the Reebok has designed these pair of shoes. As you can see from the style guide, I guess you don't really have to wear them for running. You could just wear them as casual pair of shoes like she has, and then they've also provided another style guidance that you could just wear it like as a sporty casual look, so it may not always be worn when you're running. But I would actually say that based on the design and the fit and the comfortableness of the shoes, I really find them very soft. I don't know whether you might be able to see that, but it actually says feel foam, so I guess this style, the Royal Lumella, has that feel foam, which might not always come in all the Reebok styles. I haven't tried feel foams before, so I'm gonna see how they actually perform on the road when I actually go out for running. But so far, these are I'm really happy with their styling of the Royal Lumella. And as you know, like, Reebok is a trusted brand, so I never had really a major issue with Reebok running shoes, so I'm gonna see how they go. I would actually give these pairs a 5-star based on the style and based on what the texture or the textile or the fabric, all that. I think these are really well made. Well, thanks for watching my video today.